Hey everyone, LinkedIn is a trusted platform where professionals connect, find job opportunities, and highlight their skills. Verifying your LinkedIn account can boost your credibility and help your profile stand out. We will show you how to verify your LinkedIn account and explain why it matters for anyone who wants to build a strong professional presence online. Verifying your LinkedIn account confirms your identity and builds trust with other professionals. It helps prevent impersonation, increases your profile's credibility, and gives others confidence that they are connecting with the real person. Verified accounts are more likely to connect with recruiters, clients, and other professionals, opening up new opportunities for networking. By completing verification, we are not just securing the account, we are also improving our professional reputation. Follow along as we guide you through verifying your LinkedIn account. Even if you are new, you can do this. First, open your browser and go to www.linkedin.com. Log in with your account, or continue with Google. After logging in, you might be asked to confirm your location or details like your status as a student, your employer, or your company. For this example, fill in the required forms. If you do not want to complete these forms now, you can skip them. Skip this step. This is your account. Once you have an account, it's time to verify it. To verify your account, go to Settings, then Settings and Privacy. Under Account Preferences, you will see verification options. You do not have to verify everything at once. You can return later to verify your sign-in and security info. Enter your email address. To verify, you need to enter your phone number, your email address, and set up passkeys and two-factor authentication. This is where you verify your account. Enter your number here. Add your phone number and set up your passkeys. Create a passkey. After that, go back to Account Preferences and click on Verification. To verify, click here and verify it now. Click Verify Now to join the waitlist. You are now on the waitlist for verification. You will get an email once your account is verified on LinkedIn. Once your account is verified, you can enjoy more trust from connections, better search visibility, and a stronger professional presence. Always use accurate information and follow LinkedIn's guidelines during verification.